Hello friends, today we will gain some knowledge about the stethoscope. So stethoscope is the instrument which is used for the auscultation of different sounds of the body. For example, apical pulse, respiratory sounds and bowel sounds. First point is stethoscope should be replaced in the shape of figure of 8. Here is the method of making figure of 8. Second thing is parts of stethoscope. The circular part is known as chest piece, which is used for the auscultation of the sounds. Chest piece having bigger diameter is known as diaphragm. It is used for listening high frequency sounds like apical pulse and respiratory sounds. Chest piece having smaller diameter is known as bell or drum. It is used for listening low frequency sounds like vowel sounds. It is connected with a long tubular structure known as tubings. These tubings are latex free. After that, there is two curved part connected with the tubings is known as binaurals. At the top of stethoscope, there are two ends which are put it inside the ear to listen the sounds. These are known as earpiece. Third point is principle of working of stethoscope. So the principle behind it is amplification of sound.